the clock tick, folks. We made it. We made it. I did it with you guys. I'm so excited. And I just want you guys to get to where I'm at because I want to get to where some of you guys are at. So I would like for everyone, and I mean everyone, to comment down below to help each YouTuber grow. I don't like saying any small YouTuber because we are all big YouTubers already. We are all prosperous YouTubers already. So if you say small YouTuber, you will stay a small YouTuber and you will not grow successfully and fast. So together I want us to grow. The same way that my channel cannot grow without the help of you all. So I just want y'all to read these 7 steps that I gave in retrospect of how to grow your YouTube channel. The biggest thing that I've seen thus far is being consistent. I film a lot, so I have to put in the time to edit, which I try to do every other day, work on something or every day, whenever I get a free time. But most importantly, I subscribe to a lot of people's channels. And the fact that I do that, I try to look at those channels that I just subscribed, and I try to at least watch 2 to 3 of their videos for a duration of 15 to 20 minutes. So if the video is 7 minutes, I watch 3 more videos that can be equivalent to at least 20 minutes. And I do this, say, between 15 to 20 people a day on my downtime that I watch people videos, and that's a big deal. Sometimes I'm folding clothes and I run into a different room, but I come back, the video is still playing. That's the way I support and I show love, because everyone say, subscribe for subscribe, but watch hours are just as important for us to all reach that goal. So take these tips that I'm dropping down to y'all as I reach and plummeted to 700 subscribers, and I can't wait to meet each and every last one of you guys at the top. As always, love and light will get you so much further than being evil, wicked, and untrustworthy. So when you subscribe to someone's channel, don't be that person to go back and unsubscribe, because for the life of me, I never understood why it was done, and the fact that people talk about it being done, I think is ridiculous. So as always, thanks for subscribing and watching and getting me to 700 subscribers. Peace, love, light, and blessings.